National Summit 2026 New Delhi neihah Health Minister Pi Lalrinpuii'n Women Icon Award 2026 sa dawng. Vuin February ni som pakhat sang ni som ni parukhian Achievers World le Indian Achiever Forum te chuang kopinan buat sai National Summit 2026 Viksit Bharat 2047 through Comprehensive Socio-Economic Development La Meridian Hotel New Delhi neihah Health and Family Welfare le Social Welfare, Women and Child Development Minister ni Bok Pi Lalrinpuii chuan chawimawina Women Icon Award 2026 sa dawng. He huna hian Sri Harsh Malhotra, Union Minister of State, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India chu Khualzahawm Pi Lalrinpuii chu Khualzahawm ani. National Summit 2026 New Delhi neihah hian Minister Pi Lalrinpuii chuan thu sawiin Mizoram tana hnathawh avanga chawimawina an pekah lawmthu suya he award adon theina chan chu mimal hmalakna nilawin department officials fel tak tak te ne na thei to pahram le hnam tana an tho ho na wanga ni thu suya Mizoram chu India rama CSR fund mutlem berani wangin abikin central sarkarin angai poimo em Health and Nutrition Sector a tho ho puya he hun manga kalkhom corporate lam ho tu te chu asom zui ngal bokani. India in kumsang ni somli pasaria developed country ani theina turatan malakna mission Viksit Bharat huang chunga te fungpoi mo tak pakhat healthcare sector a Mizoram Health Department chu an tho thate mawangte Mizoram Universal Healthcare System thatak mitin ban phak buat sai ani wangte thingtlang mi ten sangkhai zok le olsam zok a ruangan phur theina tura social welfare in mipuita na ruang manawangte kumkalta chhunga Mizoram chu India ram state shang zinga kumkhat hnuai lam thizat infant mortality rate niamber na pol ani thei awangte Mizoram Health System Strengthening Project kaltanga damdo in shang te thom chat an ni le sarkar damdo in tam tak ten damdo in sha te na NQS certificate dong theya anin hlan kaya wangte in he award hi Health Minister Pi Lalrinpuii hne na hian hlan ani. He huna hian Pi Lalrinpuii baka kong shang mi hlo tlingte le enton tlak tak tak thlan chhuat te hne na chawimawina hlan an ni a. Sponsor to Tata, SBI, Bharat Petroleum, DHDC, Canara Bank, Indian Oil ten CSR kaltanga an hnathawh shang te tarlan na hunan mangbok. Health Minister Pi Lalrinpuii hi apasal Reverend Dr. Kesap Thangabaka, PK Lalrinzuali, Commissioner and Secretary, HNFW Department, Pularam Chuan Zela, Member MYC le Dr. Lili Chakchuak, MD, NHM ten an joy o mani.
Welfare. I invite corporate partners to look forward Mizoram as a meaningful destination for CSR engagement where even modest investments can create visible, high-impact outcomes and contribute directly to the national vision of inclusive development under Viksit Bharat 2047. As we move towards 2047, collaboration will be key between governments, civil society, the corporate sector, and communities, only through inclusive, compassionate, and people-centered